Tired of wrestling with wine corks? You ever try opening a wine bottle and end up wrestling it like it owes you money? Yeah, same, until I found this. The Moocoo Electric Wine Opener. It's like the Tesla of wine gadgets. Fancy, fast, and freakishly fun to use. I'm serious. Just hit the button and boom. Corks out in 6 seconds. No twisting, no sweating, no, "Can someone stronger help me?" It's like wine magic, but without the top hat and rabbit. And check this out. It's not just an opener. This thing comes with a legit wine glow-up kit. An aerator that makes your $8 wine taste like a vineyard tour in Napa. 2 vacuum stoppers that actually keep your wine fresh. Because yes, I do sometimes save wine for later. We exist. It even has a foil cutter that stores in the base like a tiny wine ninja. And the whole thing charges on this LED-lit base that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It's sleek enough to live on your counter without looking like a sad kitchen gadget graveyard. Perfect for impressing your date, hosting your friends, or just treating yourself like the elegant wine goblin you truly are. No judgment. So if you're tired of fighting corks and wasting wine, do yourself a favor. Grab this beautiful beast. Links in the description. Go on, give your wine game a glow up. You deserve it.